Imagine getting out of bed in the morning and having to grab your phone to check for fresh emails. It is worth your time because all of these people from all over the world are getting paid instantly with this platform just by receiving emails there. Heck, you don't even have to read the emails, you just open them and boom, you get paid. How simple is that? This is a great and new approach to making money online. Since most people are not aware of it, this is the best time for you to grab the opportunity. The best part about this strategy is that you don't need any prior set of skills, therefore even a complete beginner can use this method to make money. Also, it is available worldwide since it is highly inclusive. First and foremost, we obviously need an email address in order to receive emails. You can use any email service provider of your choice, such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or Outlook. Here is my first bonus suggestion for maximizing your results. Make sure you have an email address for yourself. The list is endless, you can use anything you prefer, it really makes no difference. Get as many email addresses as you can, since the easier the sign-up process is, the more emails you will receive, and, thus, the more money you will be able to earn. The first step in setting up a Gmail account is to search for Gmail on Google. The next step is to click on this link, which will take you to a page where you can sign up for a free account by entering your first name, last name, username, which will be your email address, and password. After clicking next, you can choose to enter your phone number or the recovery email address and done. The platform that will pay us for reading emails is now called Volutic, but it won't help us maximize our results, so keep an eye out so you don't miss it. With Volutic, you can make money from anywhere in the world using either your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This means that it really doesn't matter where you are because you can just pull up your phone, read emails, and get paid. You can do this while waiting in line, on the bus, or even while taking a bath. There are currently thousands of members using Volutic, and they are getting paid just by reading emails every single day. The minimum payout is only 20 cents, which is absolutely not a lot, and it is easily achievable. This means that every day will be a payday for you, you do not have to wait to have hundreds of dollars. How awesome is that? But let me tell you that this is not a way to build an actual online business. We just enter a username, email address, and password here to create a free account. Next, we must read and agree to the terms of service and privacy notice. Finally, we must click the activation link to complete the registration process. If you don't, you won't receive any emails, so please click the link. Additionally, you'll be able to start getting emails. It is very simple to withdraw your earnings, simply click this button when you log into your account to access the dashboard. Feel free to click around and get acquainted with it. Creating an account will be the first step you must take before you can withdraw your money. Payoneer is a multi-cryptocurrency online platform created to support cryptocurrency buying, selling, depositing, and withdrawals. All transactions made with the wallet are final. To open an account, simply click on this button, and in less than a minute, you'll have your own account. Next, all you have to do is check your main account balance. If you look carefully, you can withdraw as little as 20 cents and as much as $25 in a single transaction. Then, just type the desired withdrawal amount in this box and click on Withdraw. You will receive promotions and advertisements via email because businesses are paying them to do so. You do not need to click on any of the advertisements, and you do not need to make any purchases. All you need to do is open and read the emails each day, then repeat. By simply doing this much every day, you will be able to make hundreds of dollars from the comfort of your house. So what are you waiting for? Hop in and get started on the journey of making money online. That's it for today. And subscribe. And click the bell icon for more such content.